This one's sad. Sorry. You said you love me under your